Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. Okay, so I'm using ground beef. I'm just seasoning the meat up and letting it cook. Once it was done, I went ahead and cut up a tomato and some onion. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, the tomatoes cut up. Now it's time to cut up some onions. So after I cut them up, I just put them on a plate. Now I'm going to be adding some cheese and some lettuce on a plate. Okay, so now it's time to make the tacos. I'm using the soft flour tortillas. So I'm just adding some meat. Then I'm going to add the lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. I didn't add the onions right away. I added them on top. I was going to add some sour cream, but I decided not to. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I post more videos.